Hi everyone! For today's video guys, I'm here at the hospital. I am waiting for my doctor and guys, while waiting, ayan, uupo muna tayo. Ayan, ang tagal naman ng doktor dito guys, naiinip na ako. Hello everyone! Ayan. I'm visiting my niece daughter. She's admitted in the hospital. And that's why I'm here, waiting for the doctor. While waiting, I'm playing, guys, I'm playing at my phone. I hope you will always watch my videos guys. Subscribe my channel. Ayan. Please subscribe my channel guys and watch my videos. If you like my videos guys, you can also send me a Suffer Things gift. Ayan. You can avail also a membership. Hi, hello everyone. Have a nice day. I feel so bored. And ang ganda ng view natin doon sa labas, guys. Ayan, sinisilip ko kasi ang ganda ng view sa labas. Kitang-kita mo yung guys, mga bulubundukin, tsaka yung ating river outside. Tapos yung mga kabahayan, guys. Ayan, sobrang tagal ng doktor guys, kaya naiinip ako. Naiinip ako guys. Hi, ayan nga pala yung sandals ko guys na in-order ko. For only 150 pesos. I really love it guys. Ayan the white color. Diba? I really love it. Ayan, sakto lang siya sa paa ko, guys. Ayan, size 8. Ayan, sakto lang siya sa paa ko. And it looks very nice. Ayan, meron din yung color black, guys. Ayan, soon. Mag-order ako soon, guys. Ayan, kasi maganda siya. Maganda siya pang rampa. Ayan, so that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoy my videos. Please do watch my videos guys. And you can also subscribe my channel. Bye everyone. I love you all. I hope you will always watch my videos guys. And if you like it, you can also send me a Suffer Things gift. Thank you so much everyone. Bye.